Honda's performance products aren't going away anytime soon, despite electrification. Justin Westbrook Retrefstar Photos Photographer, Deck 14, 2022. The latest Honda Civic Type R is fresh out of the door with a 315 horsepower combustion engine, promising at least one more life cycle of high-performance fun for the Japanese automaker. But what does the future hold as the entire industry shifts to carbon-neutral vehicle lineups over the next decade? Without Type R, there is no Honda. Those are the words of a Honda exec in a recent interview with Audica. The catch? Those words came from Hideki Kakanuma, lead engineer for Honda's Type R project. Of course, Kakanuma would suggest that more Type R projects are coming, as it means he gets to keep H. In response to upcoming emissions and production regulations, Kakanuma said that for Honda, they are only new hurdles, new challenges to provide our customers the joy of driving. Yes, we will definitely be keen to bring further Type RS. The exec added that the brand strongly believes that driving. We fed an image generator the all-electric Honda E and asked for a hot Type R model. Above is a gallery of the results.